Good evening, everyone. My name is Shuta Ebulatwe, and I'm taking us on the summary of what we did in our last class. So, basically, we talked about semantics and how to store data and input data on our web page. So, what are semantics? Semantics can be defined as tags that give our HTML code meaning and structure, making it readable for our web browser, our search engine, and screen readers, making them understand the structure of our HTML code. Yeah, so our browser reads our HTML code in a different way. So using semantic tags make it easier for them to know which part is the most important part, which part is the top part of our web page, which part is the bottom part, which is the footer part, and which part is the navigation part, which part is a section part. So that's the essence of semantic tags. Yeah, so the header tag, yeah, represents indicates the top part of our web page. So this is what we did here. So the header part, it holds everything in the top part of our web page. So I'll be showing us an example. Yeah, this is not our own website, but this is an example of the part. This is example of the header part. Yeah, so and as you can see, we also did, okay, we put our navigation bar, which is indicated by our nav semantic tag. So it holds everything concerning the navigation links. Okay, I'm going to the home, I'm going to the about us, I'm going to the project and contact, which contains the nav logo. So this is also their own, this is also their own. So the nav navigation bar is in the header part. I said the header part is the top part of the web page. Yeah. So also we have the main part. So the main part holds the most important part of the website, and the main part is also contained by sections. So now I'll be showing us an example. So this part is the main part. These are the most important parts of the website, the web page, and we said it is contained by sections. So this other now part is a section on its own. This states the law of new modules. As you can see, this carousel moving. Don't worry about carousel. It is also a section on its own. Exciting news is a section on its own. Everyday available, everyday affordable value meals is a section on its own. This is also under carousel. So it is a section on its own. We have the article semantic tag. The article semantic tag holds text. There's no how you create a website or a web page without text. Yeah, so it holds text. And we have the footer semantic tag. So the footer semantic tag, is the bottom part of or like call it. It is the bottom part of every website. Yeah, so it talks about the affiliation of the company, the link to the social media handles of the company, and so on. So this is their own, or more like call it their own footer. So I'll show you the example of what we did. So that's not our own website, but this is our own. Yeah, coming right up. Yeah. So this is what we did. Yeah. So this is our own. This is what we did. I said the header, our header contains the navigation and the nav logo. So this is it. So this part. So this is the header part. And we said the main part holds the most important information about our HTML code. Yeah. And this is our section, our strategy. Let me show you. So we said in a section our strategy. So as you can see, our strategy, about me, then the article. So this is ours. Yeah, so you can see about me, our strategy. So this is our own section, and the only reason why it's like this is because, okay, we're having CSS in the next class and we've not done it yet. So this is just purely HTML, and this is our footer. As you can see, it is also like their own footer. Yeah, but the only reason why it's not red like their own is because of we haven't added CSS yet. So we move to the next topic we covered, which was table, creating table. So to create a table, we use the table, the table tag. which indicates that I want to create the table. So this T head, is a semantic. So now we are familiar with semantics now. So it just gives structure and meaning to our HTML code. So even if I remove it, it will still work. Yeah. So it will still work. So the code will still work, but it only gives structure, meaning to our code. Yeah. So the TR, what does the TR mean? The TR means table row. So this TH means table heading. Look at it. Table header. So you can see these are the header, these are the the top part, yeah, of what we want to see. So the table rows indicate that okay, I want this table headers to be on a single row. I want them to be on a single row. And as you can see, the T body is also a semantic tag, the most important part of the what will I call it, the table. So let me show us. So as you can see, I said the table header, the name, the gender, and the country. So you can see the name, gender, and country, and you can see that it is bolder. So it is the table header. And the T body, we have the TR, which is table row, as I've said, and the TD. What does the TD mean? The table data. So we want the table data that the table is going to hold. We also want it to be on a single row. That is why it is on a That is why it's on a single row. Can you see it? Bolu, name, male, Nigeria. Yeah. And you can see this input field. So we'll be going to that right now. So it is under form. So what is form? So just like when they tell you, okay, fill in the form. Yeah. The form will contain okay a label, which is your name. Then you see a box there, you write your name. So that is how it is. Label tag give an information of the input field. So they give the information. So you cannot just see box, box, box. You don't know what to do, but there should be a label. Okay, this box is for your name. This box is for your phone number. So, and the reason why this input type is a text, because we want our name to be there, and we can't write our name in numbers. It will be text. That's why it's like that. And also this label is for phone number, and the input type is style. So, and this label nationality, and we have to put a select, so you can pick any of them. So we give an option so you can pick any of them. Yeah. So as you can see Nigeria, Uganda, Morocco, and Senegal. And we also have a checkbox input field. As you can hear the name checkbox, you check the box. Yeah, you check either of the box. Yeah, you check the box. So that is it. So that's what we did in our last class, and you can see the code. So this is a short summary, short explanation on what we did in the last class. Thank you very much. Do well to like and subscribe. Thank you.